Hello, I'm going to be singing the alphabet. Burping style.
A,
B, C, D,
F, J, K, L, M, N, O,
B, Q, Q,
F,
D,
U, V, W, Y,
Z, stuck. That wasn't it. I can't do it. Oh my gosh. That's okay. And I'm going to do a sentence. Recorder person, say a sentence and I'll say it in burping style.
Pigeon in the barn.
Okay. I'm just getting prepared.
pigeon,
I'm almost there. All I have to say is farm. I can do this, Sam. Ta-da! And that is the end of my journey of burping style. I'll get back to you one day. See ya!